even receiving your homework, and I'm very happy to see your work. So now we will be proceeding in a further class, and in today's class we will be dealing with the next chapter, that is going to be lesson 2, word meanings. Yes, आप लोगों ने लिखना सीख लिया है, whether it's letters, words, sentences, paragraphs. You are writing everything very nicely and beautifully. Some improvements are needed, and that I am telling you via WhatsApp. Whatever remarks I need to say, I am giving it to you through WhatsApp. So in today's class, as I said, we will be dealing with word meanings. तो word meanings क्यों पढ़ना जरूरी है स्टूडेंट? सबसे पहले हमको ये जानना है वर्ड मीनिंग्स की इस लेसन में होता क्या है, वी नो अबाउट न्यू वर्ड्स विद देयर मीनिंग्स. जब हम नए शब्द पढ़ते हैं हमारी वोकैबुलरी इंप्रूव होती है. ओके, वोकैबुलरी मीन्स द इंफॉर्मेशन और नॉलेज अबाउट वर्ड्स. आप जितने ज़्यादा नए वर्ड सीखोगे उतना बेटर रहेगा. व्हेन यू विल बी स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश, देन यू कैन यूज दोज वर्ड्स इन अ बेटर वे. ओके, विद दैट योर वोकैबुलरी विल बी इंक्रीजिंग. सो दैट्स द मेन मोटिव बिहाइंड knowing new words with their meanings. So आज की क्लास में हम आपके लेसन के अकॉर्डिंग वर्ड्स पढ़ेंगे, उनकी मीनिंग्स भी समझेंगे, एंड विद दैट वी विल आल्सो लर्न टू यूज देम इन सेंटेंसेस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ready for the class? Take out your textbook, your notebook, and wear your headphones and get ready for today's class. So students, in today's class we will be dealing with 7 words. Okay, so those 7 words will be across, advance, almighty, ancient, aquarium, and anvil. So and plus army. So these 7 words we will be seeing their meanings, and then we will be making sentences out of them. Okay students, so the first word is across. The first word is across. So across meaning on the other side of, on the other side, दूसरी साइड. सो इसका एक एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. So students, our first word is across. How we will spell this? Across, on the other side of, दूसरी ओर, other side. Like मैं अगर एक पोजीशन पे हूँ तो मेरा जो दूसरा साइड होगा on the other side. So इसका एग्जाम्पल हम ले सकते हैं कि मैं रोड के उस पार खड़ी हूँ. I'm standing across the road. Okay, so we'll make a sentence out of it. So that sentence is going to be I ran across the street. मैं street के उस पार दौड़ कर गया. Okay, so what is the meaning of across? On the other side of, on the other side of, which if we make a sentence out of it, one sentence which I am going to tell you, write it down. I ran across the street. ओके, तो सबसे पहले आप अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में कैसे नोटबुक में कैसे लिखेंगे? यू विल बी राइटिंग द वर्ड, द मीनिंग, एंड देन बिलो दैट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द सेंटेंस. ओके, आई रैन अक्रॉस द स्ट्रीट. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस आपको खुद बनाना है. सो लीव 2 लाइन्स फॉर दैट. 2 लाइन्स छोड़ दीजिए ताकि उसके नीचे आप लिखेंगे उसमें. यू विल मेक योर ओन सेंटेंस एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर होमवर्क. ओके स्टूडेंट, so this was the first word, that was across the other side of. Okay, second now advance, which means move forward, आगे बढ़ना. Okay, what does this advance means? How we will spell it? First thing, advance. How is going to be? Advance, which means to move forward, आगे बढ़ना. So advance का हम 2 तरीके से ले सकते हैं. एक तो advance पहले से, किसी चीज़ को पहले से बता के रखना है ना, या एक अदर मीनिंग ले सकते हैं जैसे इसमें बताया गया मूव फॉरवर्ड, आगे बढ़ना. ओके, सो वी कैन मेक 2 सेंटेंसेज आउट ऑफ इट. सो वन कैन बी आई गेव यू एडवांस वार्निंग. पहले से मैंने आपको वार्निंग दे दी थी इन एडवांस. सो आई गेव यू एडवांस वार्निंग. एंड सेकेंड थिंग कैन बी द सोल्जर्स एडवांस्ड टूवर्ड्स द टाउन. द सोल्जर्स एडवांस्ड टूवर्ड्स द टाउन. So write this second sentence which I am telling you. The soldiers advanced towards the town. So advanced towards the town मतलब town की तरफ वो आगे बढ़ चुके हैं. They have moved forward. So they have moved towards the town. The soldiers have advanced towards the town. So students, what does advance means? To move forward. Okay. So students, now the third word. You can see in the video and the textbook itself. Almighty. How to spell this? Almighty. Its meaning is given very great, infinitely powerful or God. Very great, जो बहुत महान है. Okay, very great and infinitely powerful मतलब जो बहुत ज़्यादा ताकतवर है. And एक और जो मीनिंग इसमें दिया हुआ है God. तो it's not necessary that always for God we are using Almighty. Most probably we are using Almighty in case of God, but in other ways also we use the word Almighty. That is when for someone who is infinitely powerful, like Almighty. So some words like that, and also who is very great. We can even call them as Almighty. Okay, students. So what sentence we can make here is, as I have written, keep believing in Almighty. Keep believing in Almighty. Write it in your notebook. Keep believing in Almighty. Write the meaning and write the sentence as well. अगर मैं बहुत स्पीड लग रही हूँ, so you can pause the video and then you can write. So Almighty, the meaning we are writing. Keep the sentence we are giving is keep believing in Almighty. Keep believing मतलब विश्वास रखना. किस पर विश्वास रखना? ऊपर वाले पर विश्वास रखना. So keep believing in Almighty. This is the sentence which we can make, right, students? And remember, leave 2 space to write your own sentence which you will be making or doing as your homework. Okay. Now the 4th word, ancient. Now the 4th word, ancient. How it's spelled? Ancient. Ancient, very old, बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना, ancient. So the sentence which we can make is, this is an ancient Egyptian mummy. This is an ancient Egyptian mummy. Okay, mummy जो भूत बनते हैं ना, टॉम एंड जेरी में you have seen it. एक आदमी रहता है, उसे पूरे कपड़े से लपेटा हुआ होता है, वाइट कपड़े से. That's the mummy. Okay, so this is an ancient Egyptian mummy. अब वो जो इजिप्शियन मम्मी होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा पुराने होते हैं. लाइक डेड बॉडीज को उस तरीके से वो दफनाते हैं. सो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पुराने होते हैं क्योंकि ये बहुत पहले के समय में होता था. इट्स वेरी ओल्ड टाइम. इट वॉज हैपनिंग एट अ वेरी ओल्ड टाइम. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज एंशिएंट इजिप्शियन मम्मी. So you have to also use this word in that sense that it gives the meaning of very old. Okay, so ancient का मतलब क्या हुआ? Very old, बहुत पुराना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा पुराना. ऐसे साल 2 साल वाला नहीं. It very takes like 100 years old and above that. That time you can consider it as ancient. Okay, students, write this sentence. This is an ancient Egyptian mummy. Okay, leave two lines for you to write the sentence over there. Okay. What's the next word? Aquarium. A tank for keeping fish. What is the meaning given there? A tank for keeping fish. So as a tank which can be square, rectangular or like cubical, whatever shape it can be. कोई ऐसा चीज जिसमें हम मछलियाँ रखते हैं. कुछ लोग tortoise and turtle भी रखते हैं. Okay kids. So any tank which is used for keeping fish is known as aquarium. So many sentences could be made out of that. Just a simple simple sentence. There is a blue fish in aquarium. Simple. There is a blue fish in aquarium. Write this in your notebook. Write down these things in your notebook. Write the meaning: aquarium, a tank for keeping fish. Then below that write the sentence. There is a blue fish in aquarium. Okay. And 2 lines again for you to write the sentence over there. Now the 6th word, annual. How it's spelled? Annual. Annual means yearly. Means हर साल का जो एक साल भर का जो sum up होता है, total combined, we call it as annual, yearly. Like you have annual function. You have that once in a year. That's a yearly function. That's why we call it as annual function or annual cultural competitions, because that happens once in a year, right? So yearly, only it happens once in a year. That's why we call it as annual, yearly. Okay, it's like in case you do monthly exams, why do we call them monthly? Because they happens once in a month. So here we call it as annual. Why its meaning is annual means yearly. So why we call it as annual, which happens once in a year. So we can write a simple sentence you can make: submit your annual report. Submit your annual report. Okay, just a simple sentence of that. You can make sentence of yours as well, but you have to actually do it. Now we finally come to our last word, that is army. So army, that's also very common and usual word for you. Army means a group of soldiers. Soldiers का एक समूह. बहुत सारे soldiers जब साथ में होते हैं तब उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Army. And army, a group of soldiers. A group of soldiers को हम क्या कहते हैं? Army. So we can make a very simple sentence out of it. I want to join army. एक simply आप ये कह सकते हैं I want to be a soldier. But when it's about an army, you want to use the word army. We will say it as I want to join army. मतलब मैं उन लोगों को join करना चाहता हूँ, समूह को join करना चाहता हूँ. So we will be writing it as I want to join army. Okay, students. So these were the 7 words of whose we discussed the meaning. I'll discuss the meaning once again with you all. Across, on the other side of, मतलब दूसरी ओर, है ना, जिस साइड पे आप है उसकी दूसरी साइड को हम क्या कहेंगे? Across. Okay. Then the second word was advance. Advance means to move forward. What is the meaning? To move forward, आगे बढ़ना या थोड़ा पहले से ready रहना, beforehand. Okay. The third word was almighty. Very great, infinitely powerful या फिर God. So someone who is very powerful and even God and someone who is very great, we consider them, or we call them by the name Almighty. Okay. Then the next word, the fourth word was ancient. Ancient meaning very old, बहुत ही पुराना, ancient. Okay. Then the fifth word is aquarium. What is an aquarium? A tank for keeping fish. So what is the meaning? A tank for keeping fish. Then the sixth word, annual. Annual means yearly, which happens once in a year. So that word is known as annual. And what was the last word? Army. Army means a group of soldiers. Okay, students? So these were the 7 words whose meaning you have written in your notebook with the sentence, and leave 2 lines for you to write sentences over there, and that is going to be your homework. And also mention the date at the top of the chapter you have picked. Okay, students? I hope students आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझा about these new words, meanings and sentences. So as I told you, one sentence for each word. Now you have to write the second sentence for the same word. Okay? And that is going to be your homework. So do your homework in time, memorize these words, meanings, write their sentences for them, and I'll be back and meeting you again in our next class with new words and meanings. Till then, my dear students,